Want to save money or earn extra points at your favorite stores without clipping coupons? If you're not using Amex offers, you're leaving money on the table. Today, we're enrolling and using Amex offers the easy way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Amex offers are targeted, cashback or point boost deals from various merchants. You simply add the offer to your card and then spend as you normally would. Step 1. Find and add offers. Log into your Amex online account or app. Go to the Amex Offers section. You'll see a list of available deals. Click Add to Card on any offer you like. There's no limit to how many you can add. Step 2. Use your card and get the credit. Shop at the participating merchant and pay with the Amex card that has the offer. There's no code to enter at checkout. The statement credit or bonus points will be automatically applied to your account, usually within a few days. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: add every offer that looks remotely interesting. Since there's no penalty for not using them, add every single offer you might possibly use. You never know when you might stop by that store or shop online. It only takes a second to add, and it could save you a lot later. So, just like that, you can get rewarded for spending you were already going to do. Checking Amex offers regularly goes a long way in getting unexpected savings throughout the year. Now I'm curious, what's the best Amex offer you've ever used? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.